The long-awaited day is finally here. We're just a few hours away from the Unpacked event, and a major leak has just revealed unboxing videos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in all available colors. And let me tell you, it looks even better than our expectations. Watch up to the end for one of the weird leak to which the thumbnail is dedicated. Hey everyone! Someone has managed to get their hands on the S24 Ultra in every color and capture it all on camera. Unfortunately, out of the four main colors, the black one is playing hide and seek. But let's dive into the other three. Let's start with the hero color of the S24 Ultra, which is titanium gray. Rumors have been circulating that this titanium on the S24 Ultra not only outshines the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but also feels more metallic. I can't wait for the touch, but in terms of looks, it definitely surpasses expectations. What caught me off guard is the option for titanium violet. Up until now, I was set on getting the titanium gray color, but after seeing this purple one, or should I say titanium violet, I'm torn. It looks just as amazing, if not better. It is going to be a real struggle to pick a color before hitting that pre-order button. Moving on, we also have the titanium yellow, which gives off a serious gold vibe. It's undoubtedly classy, but personally, I'm not a fan of gold colors. However, for those who appreciate gold, this could be the perfect choice. An important detail to note is that all the colors feature silver frames and camera ring colors, which honestly make them look even better. Additionally, the box has a slight difference from the S23 Ultra. It now displays the S Pen and gives a shadow of the phone. It's the small details that matter. Moving on, let's talk about the weird part of this leak. Android Headlines, who leaked all this stuff, is also saying that possible Galaxy AI subscription is on the cards. Their sources say the AI features on the S24 lineup might be free until 2025. What? Which is 1 year after the official release. But after that, there is a chance some good features could get paid. An official Samsung handle has confirmed that this is true. It's still hard to believe that they would do something like this. We're talking about $1,000 plus phones here. Even Google, which sells their phones for much cheaper, doesn't charge their users for the AI services they provide. So it's unlikely that Samsung would be stupid enough to do this. I'll reserve my judgment until the launch event, and if it's true, I'll share my opinion in a dedicated video. Next, the pre-order details have also leaked. In the UK, retailers and operators will offer a free Galaxy Watch 6. In South Korea, a free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, a storage upgrade, and a 1-year Samsung Care Plus warranty are on the table. As for the US, the details are still pending, but a storage upgrade and $150 in credits for the Ultra have been confirmed for reservations. Let's hope for a free Galaxy Watch 6 or maybe the Buds 2 Pro. That would be enough. I also found a banner on Samsung's official Indian website that states, "Be the first one to own from January 18th onwards." Lastly, here's an official marketing material revealing all the key features of the S24 Ultra. You can watch it here, and I'll see you there. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay informed about the latest tech trends, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Your support keeps us bringing you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Thank you for watching.